IKEA, aka the alter ego of Phoebe from Friends, and not to neglect the most well-known furniture producer in the world. You know the drill, cheap but not that cheap, some hot dogs, some do-it-yourself, and a ton of jokes about how easy it is to assemble everything for yourself. I won't tell you the story of the brand in this video, we might do that in the next one though, but I thought about telling you how IKEA became suddenly a very cool brand. I don't know if you're up to date, but IKEA had a lot of great collabs with Virgil Abloh and with Balenciaga in 2017. Let's talk about the hottest thing at the moment, that being their own merch in collaboration with SPANST, which brings their first shirt and hoodie, and it was a pleasure to see that everything was quality made and it had a low price. Of course, in addition, they came with a snapback, a bag, and with a skateboard. And also they released some strange furniture, all of them signed by Chris Stamp. And of course you can find some cool boxes for shoes over there as well. It is possible that IKEA is one of the brands that millennials love the most. After LV reinvented in 2017 the actual bag, in 2017 Balenciaga copied the IKEA bag and added $2,000 more, and the new product was born. What did IKEA do in this scenario? Did they assault Balenciaga with an army of lawyers? Well, nope. They simply replied online with an article that was saying how to differentiate the actual IKEA bag from the Balenciaga one, which made a great fuss online. Not to mention that the Swedish guys were happy that Balenciaga got inspiration from them. This is what we call marketing for the win. Kanye West himself said that he felt inspired when he went to the store, and of course, as the king of the Twitter, he posted about it, and IKEA responded with a sketch of an easy bed. Anyway, IKEA is doing just fine well before others. In 2002, they launched a sad commercial about a desk lamp that was thrown away by its owner and everything was covered in rain and tears, but by the end of the video, you will be hit by a big surprise. I won't ruin the experience so you can watch it. Of course, we have to mention the Yeezy frenzy when everyone was talking about a collab between IKEA and Adidas on Kanye's model, and a ton of customizations appeared online. But right now, let's talk about the most powerful move that IKEA made with the designer Virgil Abloh. Together in 2018, they did a collab creating the first millennial home design, and that struck big time, creating a huge wave of people that were ready to buy everything from him. Also in 2018, IKEA did a collab with the Dutch designer Piet Hein that actually brought to light all the imperfections of the furniture rather than hiding them. So what do you think? Is IKEA cool or not? Is this the peak of the company, or they still can make it in the future as well? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I was your boy Alex. Till next time, have a nice one.